Hi there, Save with Crypto here. Okay, so yesterday we started off the War of Wales trading competition over on Blofin, where the idea is to win $1 million. It's unlikely we will win $1 million, but you could always try, and I think it's probably a really good exercise to sort of try and be a bit disciplined, especially because you can kind of see your results in front of other people's, so it's less likely that you'll do anything stupid in front of everybody else, which I know I've done before. Anyway, so how are we doing? Well, not bad actually, to be honest. There are 413 teams, okay, and we're currently at number 134. On the first page, I don't know who these people are. Kyle Dupes, he's the crypto banter guy. Miles Deutscher, he's crypto banter as well. I mean, these guys have got access to millions of people, haven't they? Crypto Rovers there, crypto banter again. Sniper School, that's Sheldon from Crypto Banter. Oh, Andy from Bitcoin Centers, he's there. Oh, Crypto Face number 34. I thought he'd be killing it by now. Crypto Zombie. Oh, that's a lovely Annie from Trade Travel Chill. I like her. She's lovely. Sammy Four Flies. Oh, Eric Crone's there. Okay, Crypto Jeb. And, we're there at 134. Now, our team aren't really trading very much. We've only got like 5 of us trading. Seems to be me with the largest volume, which surprises me because I only really started trading with €600 worth of USDT today. And yesterday I only had like $54 worth. So what I did this morning was I started making a video, which is going to be my kind of day doing the competition. And I started doing the video. I basically bought some crypto and then I put it into Blofin. I did the first trade and then we got that CPI data at like 1:30 in the afternoon and the price of Bitcoin went absolutely crazy. But I still think the first bit I did is probably worthwhile showing you. So let's go back to this morning and start off at around about 11 a.m. and then I'll finish the video by talking about where we are at the moment with Bitcoin and the competition. Okay, so I'm going to do something that I very, very rarely do. I'm actually going to buy some crypto. So I'm on my SwissBorg app and it's been so long since I bought it, I've forgotten how to do it. So what I want to do, I want to fund my Blofin account, but what I don't want to do is to pay the Ethereum ERC20 fee when I move it into Blofin. The reason being, from SwissBorg, if you send USDT, your only option is to send it by ERC20. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to actually buy some Tron instead. So let's have a look. Tron. I'm going to use some euros. Where are my euros? Okay. So this was some money that I got to take on holiday to Tenerife, and I didn't use it. So 600 euros there. I'm going to swap that into Tron. Okay, so 600 euros. Euros to Tron. There you go. 600 euros. Next. Right. Now I did this because I just saw Tron come down a little bit. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so that cost me $1.59 to do that. Okay, it doesn't seem too bad. And then on my Blofin account, I want to go to funding. Let's search for Tron. So I'm going to deposit Tron. That's going to use the Tron network, obviously, TRC20. And TRC20 is normally the cheapest network I find, apart from MultiversX, which is always cheaper, but there's only so many things you can do with that. It's a shame, really, isn't it? Okay, so I'm just going to go to my SwissBorg app and go send Tron to an external wallet. On my SwissBorg app, it says your Tron withdrawal is being processed. You will be notified as soon as it is complete. So the time now is 11 a.m. UTC on Wednesday, the 13th of November. Okay, so at 11:03, I got a message saying my Tron had been sent from SwissBorg. So let's have a quick look to see if it's here. Cool, yeah, there it is. All right, so that's worth $635. That sounds okay. Now, obviously, I need to put this into USDT to be able to trade with it. And by the way, I have got $5.50 there already. So let's go to transfer from funding to spot, because I need to trade it in spot, don't I? Actually, and while I'm here, I will move that amount there as well. All right, so let's have a look in spot. The spot trading doesn't count for the War of Wales competition we're doing, unfortunately. But let's have a look for TRX. Let's put that on the 5 minutes. So. Okay, so last night that was worth about 8% more than it is now. Now, what I could have done here was done a limit order for a slightly higher value, but in fact, what I decided to do was just do a market sell and get the job done for the sake of completing the video. But a limit order would be cheaper, obviously, and you could get a better price. Okay, so there's the USDT in the spot account. I want to move that to the futures because I want to trade with it, obviously. So all of that, move that over there. Okay, good. So let's have a look what's happening to the price of Bitcoin. Now, what I did do was I entered a long because I saw some positive CPI data that was just released, and Stonksy is green on the 1 minute. So I'm just going to leave that for the time being. Not the best entry in the world, I must admit. Okay, so just reflecting back on the day, and what happened was the last part of the video was around this sort of time, and the CPI data came in at 130, so just about here. And it was looking like the price was going to go up, so I was expecting to get 90k, and it went so much more. It went all the way up to whatever that is, 93,333, and that was like a new all-time high. I really didn't think it would go that high. It was just crazy. Anyway, it did a sort of double top, and then it came back down. Now, unfortunately, I tried to catch a falling knife in the way that when the price came down here and started to go back up, I thought, oh, that's it, we'll go back up again. So foolishly, I went into a long there, and that's where I still am, actually. So I'm still actually $120 down, actually. That said, I did quite a few trades on the way up as well. Unfortunately, I didn't get the big move, but you can see if you look at the order history, you can see that there's quite a lot of trades happened. In fact, I find it amazing how many trades did happen, actually. Sort of, just me sort of thinking, oh, that's a good time to go long, that's a good time to go short, etc. And they're all quite little trades, really. But nevertheless, it does mean that my actual margin, whereas it was 638, I think it was, dollars, I'm now playing with 753. So I did make over $100 already anyway, so I'm $100 down. So I'm about the same as I was when I started off, but hopefully this trade will come out in profit and, everything will be good. As far as the price goes, God knows what's going to happen. I feel that we're so close to 100k now that we've got to get there sooner or later. And with the competition having another sort of like 4 weeks to run, then I think the chances of getting to 100k are very, very popular. But it does make trading really difficult when it gets up into these like silly areas because there's no history and, there's no like support and resistance to look out for, really. So the kind of thing I probably should have done is to thought, well, okay, we're into blue sky territory now. We don't really know where the price is going to go, but there are these Fibonacci extension levels. So if you'd have gone from that low there to that high there. So yeah, going to that minus 0.618 probably wasn't such a surprise. So if we were to do the same again for like today's pump, you'd be going from that low there to that high there. So that means next pump we could be looking at something like 97.98, so pretty much 98k. And if we're going to go to 98k, we'll probably go to 100 really. But oh, it's crazy, isn't it? Anyway, so that's the plan. The plan is to try and get out of this trade without losing any money, hopefully make some. Now looking at the Stonksy indicator on the 1 hour time frame, this has been bullish since last Tuesday. So it's been bullish for over a week. If I see this change to either no colour or red, then I'm going to be looking for shorts. But until then, I'm just going to be looking for little longs on pullbacks. And the easiest way I find to do that is to use this 1 minute Stonksy. So for example, as the price was going up there, and as it got up to like 89, I would have thought, is that going to continue? But Stonksy went red, so we came down a little bit. Then he went green, so it went up a little bit. And you could have traded that pretty accurately using the Stonksy indicator. If you want to use Stonksy, go to savewithcrypto.org/Stonksy. Now, I did mean to get this video out today, Wednesday, but all of a sudden I've just looked at the clock and it's Thursday. So I think I need to get this out, and I'll see you all in the morning. Okay, thanks for watching.
Save with Crypto is a totally dope YouTube channel. Many of you know that I always have my mind on my money and my money on my mind. If it's flipping crypto, I'm Blofin, be the best crypto flipper in the world. Whatever it is you do, you have to master your craft. Everyone should own Bitcoin, maybe a whole Bitcoin. There are no fun if the homies can't have none. The thing is, you don't get respect if you don't deserve it. Save with Crypto deserves the ultimate respect. Do like all his videos. Subscribe with notifications on all. And above all, tell your friends.